Before detaching your Sunbeam electric blanket cord, safety is the top priority. Always unplug the power cord from the wall outlet first. Next, locate the control connector on your blanket. This is where the controller cord connects to the blanket itself. Most Sunbeam models require you to squeeze the connector hinges on both sides to release it. Some models may have a release tab or button instead. Once the connector is released, gently pull it straight out. Avoid any wiggling or twisting motions that could damage the connector or blanket. After detaching the cord, inspect both the cord and blanket connector for any signs of damage, wear, or tear. Look for frayed wires, cracks, or bent pins. To reconnect your Sunbeam electric blanket cord, start by locating the connector module at the bottom of your blanket. Align the connector carefully and push it into the module until you hear the plastic hinges click into place. This clicking sound confirms a secure connection. A complete connection is critical for safety. Loose connections can create fire hazards, so ensure the connector is fully seated and secure. Next, position the control cord properly. Run the cord on the floor under your bed to keep it out of the way and prevent damage. Never route the cord between the mattress and box spring. This can pinch or damage the cord, creating safety risks. Only plug the power cord into a standard 110 to 120 volt wall outlet after you have completely set up the heated blanket. Never use extension cords, generators, power converters, or inverters with your electric blanket. These can create dangerous conditions. Now let's review critical safety instructions. Always read all instructions before using your heated blanket. Never use electric blankets with infants, children, or incapacitated individuals who cannot understand the instructions or respond to overheating. This includes diabetics, paraplegics, quadriplegics, or anyone who may not be able to feel or respond to excessive heat. For physical safety, never tuck in, pinch, flex, or expose the wired heating areas of your blanket. This can damage the internal wiring. Keep pets away from the heated blanket as they can damage it or be injured. Also, never use analgesic creams or ointments while using the blanket, as this can cause skin burns. Following these reconnection steps and safety guidelines will help ensure safe and effective use of your Sunbeam electric blanket.